Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got the bargain bead box for March of 2025. If you're not familiar with it, the monthly boxes are $22.99 a month and they're valued between $60 and $85 usually a month, so it's a great deal. I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below to bargain bead box as well as the coupon code. Eagerly awaiting. This just came in the mail. I just dropped one video and I'm like, okay, I have to shoot the other one. So, oh, okay, let me see here. So it's called, this is interesting. So it is called Key Lime Pie, P-I. Rounds and half rounds coupled with oh my gosh, I can't speak today. Rounds and half rounds coupled with luscious, creamy shades of green in this bright springtime palette, inspired by Pantone Spring 2025 color trends. You'll find gorgeous green gemstones such as serpentine, Alasian agate, and aventurine. Crackled glass, sparkling crystal, and gold finish findings complete this collection. Happy Pie Day. Okay. Little cord here in the way. Okay. Oh, where's that one? I was just, oh, these are pretty. And circle. Okay. Looks like I got two. 15 and 16. Oh, look at these. These are cool. Make sure there's not a bad reflection on here. Okay. These are really pretty. Very pretty. Okay. Let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with number 1, 24 millimeter green aventurine faceted teardrop pendant. Aventurine and brass teardrop pendant. This is so pretty. It's faceted, so it's got like all those little cuts going on in there. So pretty. Love. These are really pretty colors. And remember, you can always add other colors to this if you wanted to too. Number 2 is a 2-piece 18 by 13 millimeter new jade natural serpentine teardrops. These are pretty. This one's a little more white. This one's a little more of an off-white. But when you're dealing with natural stones, that happens. Okay, number 3 is 2 pieces of 15 by 19 millimeter carved white agate ginkgo leaf drops. Oh, these are pretty. Ooh, very different. These would be pretty for some dangle earrings, I think. I know I'm not just going to use this and the gold. I'm going to add a couple colors to this. And sometimes when the gold is too bright, I mute it down with another metal. So I'm already getting ideas for this. So you will have to stay tuned for that. Okay. Number 4 is 15-inch strand of new jade, natural serpentine nugget beads. Oh, these are pretty. So wrap around your wrist a couple times. You could just use this and make yourself a couple stretch bracelets even. Very pretty. And number 15 is 7-inch 10 millimeter synthetic coral man-made lotus flower beads. Ooh. I don't know if you can see that. very pretty. The etching in it is really pretty. Oh, I like these. I can't wait to work with this box. And number 6 is 7-inch strand of 8mm Malaysian agate dyed round beads. These are pretty. It's almost like a light moss or light olive kind of. Okay, number 7 is a 15-inch strand of 8mm crackled glass beads in honeydew. Oh, these are pretty. Yes, please. These would look really pretty. It's just a little couple stretch bracelets. Very pretty. Okay. And number 8 is 4-piece 12mm lampwork glass beads in green glow. Oh, these are really, I don't know if you're catching that, the glow, the sparkle in there. They've got like, it's almost like a gold, kind of like little sparkle in there. I don't know if it's, looking in the camera, I can't tell if it's showing up or not. It's like a shimmer in there. I've never seen beads like this before. These are definitely new. And number 9 is 16-inch 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads in sea opal AB. Ooh, these are pretty. I'll tell you, for $22.99, you get a heck of a lot of beads. I have such a stash for Bargain Bead Box. Beautiful beads. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And number 10 is a 6.5 4mm crystal bell beads in light jade green AB. Oh, these are pretty. Very pretty. Yes. Gorgeous. Ooh. Very excited about this. Okay. And number 11 are 40 pieces of 4mm crystal cubic cylinder beads in champagne shimmer. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. I'm just moving my hand around. You can see that. Oh, so pretty. Wow. So pretty. This is a really pretty color to mute some of the brightness of the gold. So those are really pretty. And number 12 are 100 pieces of 3x2mm spacer beads. 100 pieces, that's nice. Just basic spacer beads. And these, you know, like I said, the gold is bright, but you can mute it with other colors. So I will definitely have some videos coming up with these. And number 13 is 40 pieces. Wait, number 13, 40 piece 6mm stainless steel bead caps. Oh, okay. At first it didn't look like that many, but they're kind of on top of each other. These are nice, and they're very plain, so they don't have a kind of like a style, or more like a modern style. They don't have like the floral bead caps or anything. So you can mix those with a couple different kinds of motifs. And number 14 is 2 pieces of 40x29mm Art Deco half oval pendant. Oh. I don't know which side is the front. I probably would use this. Oh, I think this is cool. It's probably the back too. But yeah, that is really cool. They really did a good job this month. And number 15 is 2-piece 10.5 by 21 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass half circle links. These are pretty. So, and they have the hole on each one. So, very cool. Okay, I thought I had two of the same, but I don't. Number 16 is 2 pieces of 10.5 by 21 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass half circle pendant. So these only have, it's the same on both sides. These only have one hole. The other ones have their links, connectors. So very pretty. I've got kind of an idea for that. Okay, and then number 17 is 2-piece 8 by 10 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass half circle ear studs. Okay, oh, very cool. You see it's got the little half circle. It's got backings. So we know what we can do with these. Very pretty. Very modern looking. And number 18 is 19.5 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass lobster claw and 6 millimeter jump ring. Very pretty. Nice big one. Make a big chunky necklace and that'll be perfect for it. And number 19 is 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless chain hypoallergenic. Very pretty. Just basic chain. And we can do a lot with that. And last but not least, number 20, a bonus, 7.5 inch strand of 6 millimeter green adventuring dyed round beads. It's always nice to get a bonus. So these are so pretty. I'm loving this key lime pie collection. What a great name for it too. Yeah, I think we're going to have a lot of fun this month with these beads. So let me know down in the comments if you get the bargain bead box or not. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that thumbs up so it helps my algorithms and it keeps me wanting to make more videos. It really, when I, read your comments and everything and see all the likes on it, it really does inspire me to keep creating. So please do so. And like I said, bargain bead box, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And I will see you on my next video. I will leave all the links to this below as well as the coupon code. And I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.